cut table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 27.5 inches. A depth of 34 inches. And a height of 45.5 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, we have 34 3/4 inches. Included are 12 pans and 9 large pans. You get 3 small pans, a total of 12 pans that will be included. The measurements for each small pan, we have 4 1/4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 small pans. The large pans, we have 6 1/4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 9 large pans included. Cutting board dimensions, we have 27.5 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Included in the bottom refrigerator is 1 adjustable shelf. The measurements for the shelf will include 23.5 inches in length, 17 inches in depth, with the interior measuring 24 inches in length, 12 inches in depth, by 24 inches in height, with a thermometer that will also be included, located on the right side. Located on the left column is the ETL certification sticker. Coming to the back will be the temperature control, along with the 110 and 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.